Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to list a posting on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage once again. Now if you wish to list a post, then click on the post option or the post and add button. You will then be asked to choose the region, the location, as well as the category and subcategory of the product. Once you choose all of these, you will be allowed to post your ad. Just place the posting title, which is visible within your post, to all users. After posting an eye-catching title, enter the price of your product, followed by the city or neighborhood as well as the zip code. Then enter a description to provide an accurate description of your product and make sure to include as much details as possible. You can then enter the make as well as manufacturer and enter the model number details as well as the size and dimensions. Then mention the condition using the drop-down menu and choose the language of your posting. You can also choose whether you want to accept cryptocurrency and if you provide delivery services. Finally, provide your contact info, which is your email address that you use while signing up for your Craigslist account. You can also choose to display your phone number by clicking on Show My Phone Number. Then enter your phone number followed by your contact name and choose whether you want to accept phone calls and SMS. Finally, click on the Continue button and now you will be able to add images of your ad. Click on the Add Images button or drag and drop within the given section and then click on Done with Images. Now make sure all of the details of your ad or post is correct and then click on the Publish button. And now your post will officially be listed on Craigslist. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to list your post on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.